Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is a daily analysis for a Bitcoin. We are looking at the channeling here on the daily where we have a push toward the downside. So once we have finished the bull run and we got the declaration of the bear market there, we start to lay down our base channel basically in case we are in double one, two, three, four, and a five. This is a very low probability right now once the wave 4 interfered with the zone 1. Now, I would like to explain and remind you why we don't think that this is a 1, 2, and then wave 3, 4, and a 5. First, despite that the invalidation is given there, there is a probability here that this is definitely a wave C, and that because also this is not an impulse, we got an invalidation within a wave 4 and that turns it into an expanding diagonal as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where the wave 3 is not allowed to be an expanding diagonal. It has to be a clean impulse with a large wave 3 without interfering, of course, the wave 4 within the wave 1. That means double 1, 2 can be, yes, a possible scenario, but this was, of course, for a while until the wave 4 there interfered again with the zone 1. And that's why we don't look here at an impulse. We're looking at something very, I would say, choppy and complex for wave 2, that it might be even a shallow correction, and especially that we didn't follow the path of the deep correction once we were ready for it. So actually the price pushed for higher and took invalidation at this zone, and of course claiming a finished structure as a W, X, and a wave Y here, very likely to hit this red zone in confluence with our timing required from the bull run there, which is a wave 1. We are asking for at least the 0.38 Fibonacci level here to be taken as a wave 2. Now, basically, if we take a look also at the probabilities that we were looking at, obviously, we chose the first probability, which was in priority, by the way, because it is the most closest one after a wave X here. Having a W, X, and a wave Y in an ABC is very, very likely here to hit the timing as well, and the minimum requirement for a fib level. So $56K, $817 is still very, very required here in a wave A, and potentially can still go for deeper in a wave Y to finish as a ABC and hitting the 44K 0.5 Fibonacci level. Don't forget that this is a very strong area here as a support. So I'm expecting, yeah, even that as this might be a potential scenario here for a rebound for a bull run from there, guys. But of course, 44 is still optional as a Fibonacci level. If broken this low there, then definitely we're looking for it. So this is regarding the probability. Of course, the other probability as ABC, regular flat or expanding flat, are gone. There is nothing unfolding there from those probabilities. Now, if we dive inside it on the 2-hour chart here, we are looking also at the following scenarios where after a wave X is there, as we mentioned on the daily, we're looking for the wave A, B, and a C here to be unfolding for something higher, of course, and taking the times required so to finish the major correction. We are in a very large 1-2 here, and then of course we're looking at double 1-2. By the way, this is your 1-2 here, and then we have a wave 3 to be finished, and then 4 and a 5 there to alternate still, of course, this wave 2 and finishing the structure. So we are in a 1-2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to finish wave 3, and then 4 and a 5. Let's dive inside it to see it much more clearer. Now, basically, we were calling here a wave 4, yeah. So this wave 4 in the magenta as an ABC or W, X, and Y finished, and followed by double 1-2 here, and then wave 3 is still unfolding as a 1-2, 1-2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. So I'm still expecting, of course, lower prices after hitting the wave 4. Perfect timing and perfect fib levels as expected, because the 0.23 is the minimum requirement here without invalidation, meaning you don't want to see the wave 4 pushing for higher to take, of course, as this zone area as a zone 1, and we would like to continue to push towards the downside. And here we are. I'm still looking for the 1-to-1 fib level 57K 559 for this wave 5 at least, meaning taking the low there and finishing this impulse there as a 1 2 1 2 3 4 and a 5, a 4 and a 5, finishing wave 3. Then looking, of course, for a wave 4 and a 5, that it might finish also here this major wave 3 there. So I'm gonna put the, oh, it is already there. So the wave 3 in the yellow there, and having a wave B that it might start to unfold as well from this area, guys. So I'm still looking for a lot of 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. I would say still have wave 5 internally, and then major wave 4 and a 5. And that means, of course, we might finish the wave A, or it can be a wave B there, but much more likely to be a major wave A for this wave Y in WX and a Y. That means after the wave A here, I'm looking for 3 waves toward the upside, which is, of course, going to continue our Y. After, of course, the W there. So we have the W, the X, and the wave Y, as you can see here, to finish up, of course, our trend there for the bear market, guys. Today, I'm expecting a little bit lower prices since we have hit the target as expected here, and we're looking for something, of course, to reach our blue zone. Our trade also is taken from there in the community, so we'll see what's gonna happen. That was it for Bitcoin for the daily. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.